In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can schedule an email in your Gmail. So select Compose to create an email. I'll be sending it to myself, mmarmars@gmail.com. Test mail. For the message, I'm just going to say demo. And then here, instead of selecting send, you're going to select the little drop down that says more send options. Then select schedule send. And then here you can select a date and time when you want the email to be sent, or you can select a custom date by selecting, or you can select a custom date and time by picking the date and time. So from the calendar, I can select the 29 and set the time when I want it to be sent. Let's say 9:22, alright? And then all I need to do is select schedule send. Now to see a list of emails that you have scheduled, here you're going to look for the schedule option. If you wish to cancel it, you can select the email and then select cancel send. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.